Welcome, beauties. Are you tired of struggling with traditional curling irons that leave your arms sore and your curls less than perfect? Say goodbye to those days because today we're diving into the world of rotating curling irons designed to make curling your hair easier and more efficient than ever before. Whether you're a professional stylist or a DIY enthusiast, finding the perfect rotating curling iron can be a game changer in your beauty routine. Stick around as we explore the top 5 rotating curling irons of this year, each promising to revolutionize the way you style your locks. At number 1 position, we have CHI Rotating Curler. The CHI Rotating Curler is a powerhouse in the world of hairstyling, boasting advanced technology and innovative design. Key features: its ceramic barrel ensures even heat distribution, while the automatic rotating barrel takes the hassle out of curling. Benefits and usage: achieve salon-quality curls with ease, thanks to its customizable temperature settings and ergonomic design. Whether you're aiming for loose waves or tight coils, this curler delivers consistent results every time. Usability: its lightweight construction and swivel cord make maneuvering a breeze, perfect for both beginners and experienced stylists. Durability: crafted from high-quality materials, the CHI Rotating Curler is built to last, ensuring years of reliable performance without compromising on style. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Kiss Rotating Curling Iron. The Kiss Rotating Curling Iron combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features for effortless styling. Key features: with its tourmaline ceramic barrel and ionic technology, this curling iron reduces frizz and enhances shine, leaving your curls looking flawless. Benefits and usage: say goodbye to arm fatigue with its automatic rotating barrel and ergonomic grip, making curling a breeze for all hair types. Usability: its digital temperature display and adjustable heat settings cater to individual styling preferences, ensuring optimal results every time. Durability: built to withstand daily use, the Kiss Rotating Curling Iron is a reliable companion for your hairstyling journey, delivering salon-worthy curls with ease. The number 3 position is held by Dry Bar Rotating Curling Iron. The Dry Bar Rotating Curling Iron combines luxury with functionality, promising to elevate your hairstyling experience. Key features: its ionic technology and titanium barrel work together to seal the hair cuticle, resulting in smooth, long-lasting curls with minimal heat damage. Benefits and usage: achieve professional-looking curls at home with its automatic rotating barrel and adjustable temperature settings, catering to various hair textures and styles. Usability: designed with user convenience in mind, the Dry Bar Rotating Curling Iron features a lightweight build and swivel cord for effortless maneuverability. Durability: engineered to withstand frequent use, this curling iron is a durable investment for those seeking salon-quality results without the salon price tag. Next, at number 4, we have Revamp Rotating Curling Iron. The Revamp Rotating Curling Iron combines innovation with practicality, offering a versatile solution for all your hairstyling needs. Key features: its titanium-infused ceramic barrel and infrared heat technology deliver consistent heat distribution, ensuring uniform curls with minimal damage. Benefits and usage: enjoy customizable styling with its adjustable temperature settings and directional buttons, allowing for effortless curling in any direction. Usability: designed for ease of use, the Revamp Rotating Curling Iron features a comfortable grip and intuitive controls, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. Durability: crafted from premium materials, this curling iron is built to withstand daily wear and tear, promising years of reliable performance without compromise. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Amika Rotating Curling Iron. The Amika Rotating Curling Iron redefines luxury hairstyling with its sleek design and advanced features. Key features: boasting a tourmaline ceramic barrel and negative ion technology, this curling iron eliminates frizz and enhances shine for picture-perfect curls every time. Benefits and usage. Experience effortless styling with its automatic rotating barrel and customizable temperature settings, suitable for all hair types and textures. Usability. With its ergonomic handle and 360-degree swivel cord, the Amica rotating curling iron offers unparalleled ease of use, allowing for seamless styling from every angle. Durability. Engineered for longevity, this curling iron is built to withstand daily use, making it a reliable companion for your hairstyling journey, whether at home or on the go. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 rotating curling irons of this year, each offering a unique blend of technology, innovation, and performance to elevate your hairstyling game. Whether you're a professional stylist or a beauty enthusiast, finding the perfect curling iron can make all the difference in achieving flawless curls with ease. So say goodbye to tangled cords and sore arms, and hello to salon-worthy curls at the touch of a button. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful.